Ano nga ba ang included doon sa mga condo fees na yon? So, ito naman is question ng ating mga kababayan na nagbabalak bumili ng condo. And syempre, may condo fee yun. Tapos, syempre, babayaran nila yon on top of their mortgage. Ano nga ba ang included doon sa mga condo fees na yon?
Okay, magandang question yan, Amy. And ang common types ng condominium dito sa Canada is yung condo apartment, yun yung building, and
Yun yung medyo mataas.
may low rise na tinatawag,
Okay.
apat and below, and then yung high rise, yung matataas na building. And yung isa naman, yung condo townhouse. May mga townhouses kasi na may condo fee. So yung may mga townhouses na condo fee, anything outside, for example, yung reserve fund study, yan yung budget ng condominium corporation kung ipapagawa yung bubong, yung siding, so you don't need to worry anything outside.
Okay.
And also about yung collection ng garbage, also yung maintenance ng outside, yung landscaping, and yung snow removal. So you don't need to worry on winter time.
Okay.
Yun naman mga condo apartment, aside sa na-mention ko, most of the time kasama na ang utilities ng electric, yung iba kasama ang electric, but most of the time water and heat kasama na. So idadagdag mo na lang yung electricity and yung inyong internet. So kasama na yun. So you don't need to worry na nagbabayad kayo ng condominium fees and wala naman napupuntahan. Marami pong napupuntahan yun. So you don't need to worry your maintenance and your future renovations, anything outside.